Independent Secretary, senior government officials, representatives from the discipline force, invited guests, parents, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, Mula Vinaka. Before I move on to the graduation proper, I wish to reiterate what our Honorable Prime Minister said yesterday in regards to the cyclone. And I quote, all communities to use this time to trim tree branches, clear drains, prepare emergency kits, and take other steps to keep homes and communities safe, unquote. Please take this message seriously. Also important numbers to note during this time is for police 917, Water Authority of Fiji 5777, EFL 913, Fire and Ambulance 910. Please take care of your children and elders in your own communities and stay safe. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to congratulate all those who are graduating today. Thank you for your determination and the will to succeed. I'd also like to acknowledge the parents. In fact, parents are among the most important people in the lives of our young people. You have started the development process which we have continued with here at Valalevu Youth Training Center. Your dedication and commitment have truly paid off, and I hope that all of you will continue to support this wonderful program for many years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, I also take this moment to commend the work of the respective trainers for providing training for the last 10 months and assisting the ministry in achieving its intended vision, which is building values that leads to success. Ladies and gentlemen, through our non-formal education training, we are committed in providing equal opportunities to the youths who may have dropped out of the formal education stream and looking at pathways for a sustainable future. My ministry and government is all about empowerment opportunities. Your training is about empowerment in the music and performing arts area. Government have provided funding for these last 10 months of training here at Valalevu Training Center. The ministry has 5 training centers across the country. The training centers provide various modes of non-formal education training to upskill our youths. This youth training center here in Valalevu has been one of the standout programs of the ministry. The aim of the program is to provide theoretical and practical training in music so that they can better their chance of finding employment in the music industry. The training center also known for the National Youth Band and has produced a number of youths who have excelled in the field of music. But ladies and gentlemen, we don't only teach music here. There are other components that complements the main areas of study in the program, which includes music theory, practical musical applications, physical education in sports, culture and custom, cultural entertainment. And a very true testament of my ministry's commitment can be seen in the Republic of Fiji Military Forces Band, the Fiji Police Force Band, Fiji Correction Services, secondary schools, in the British Army, and in hotels and other tourist destinations around the country. The main focus of my ministry has always been to provide the Fijian youth with fair and equal employment and training opportunities. Graduates, as you enter the next exciting phase of your lives today, Please remember that this is just the beginning of the future that you see for yourselves. You all will need to reflect on the lessons that you have learned here. Sacrifice required in order to achieve your full aspirations. Your graduation today does not mean that your training ends here. There is still more to learn, and I encourage you all to keep learning and explore ways you can further enhance your skills and abilities. We have provided a platform for you to explore and succeed. Each future option comes with its own attractions and challenges. Remember, the key to success is to focus on goals and not obstacles. You are the master of your future. What you do and how you do will determine what you will become. We know that every young person has the potential to fulfill. So go forth and live out your dreams. You all are the future of our nation. You must also try to fulfill your social responsibilities and be a role model. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all the best in your future endeavors, and may you all have a blessed and a safe Christmas and a happy New Year. Vinaka, and thank you.
Please, our media, Randy Niwailebu. Andy Ami hails from Goma, Namena Lebu, plays cornet in the brass band and also performs traditional dance. Alisi Bosamana Rabua. Alisi hails from Kia Allen Yaro in Maluata, plays horn instrument in the brass band, perform the Indo-Fijian and also traditional dance. Anne Sarote. Anne hails from Nortau in Rotuma, plays cornet in the brass band and also perform island and traditional dance. Angela Pinay Nakewa. Angela hails from Burnitu, Nalawara, plays horn instrument in the brass band, performs traditional dance, and also is a vocalist in the dance band. Bea Takini Mateng hails from Tapuewe village in Rambi, plays horn instrument in the brass band, and also performs the island and traditional dance. Christine Metusela hails from Tukavesi Nateo in the Conrove, plays cornet instrument in the brass band, and also performs the island and traditional dance. Helera Malani hails from Nasotoka Waimbuka in Telebu, plays baritone instrument in the brass band, and also performs the Indo-Fijian and traditional dance. Kenyan Martha hails from Tevi in Yasawa, plays a funeral instrument in the brass band, and also performs the island and traditional bands. Queenie Lindia Meracela hails from Rekiniwai Nawatu in Nakonrove, plays horn instrument in the brass band and also performs a traditional dance. Lisi Rogotiloma hails from Burirua Saukasa in Telebu. She plays horn in the brass band and also performs a traditional dance. Livia Nasekure Lutanasinga hails from Nosori, Nalawa in Ra. Plays baritone instrument in the brass band and also performs the Indo-Fijian and traditional dance. Marayan Dimbua hails from Nabunieru, Mbua, in the province of Mbua, plays horns instrument in the brass band and also performs a traditional dance. Marina Andinay Seri Romani hails from Badalea, Nakasaleka in Kandawu, plays baritone instrument in the brass band and also performs the Indo-Fijian and also traditional dance. Matlarina Koteisuwa Tole hails from Nahinga Toka, Singatoka in Nandronga, plays cornet instrument in the brass band and also performs the Indo-Fijian and also traditional dance. Neiva Naimoy Nakasa hails from Burnitu Nalawara, plays baritone instrument in the brass band, performs traditional dance, and she is also a vocalist in the dance band. Mele Pepati Muniwanga hails from Vanuatu, now in the province of Lomaiviti, plays cornet in the brass band and also performs the traditional dance. Mele Kinai Ili Seva hails from Musi Savu Viria Naitasiri, plays cornet instrument in the brass band and also performs the traditional dance. Mere Marama Huaono hails from Waibunia, Savu Savu in the province of Nakonrobe, plays baritone instrument in the brass band and also plays the Indo-Fijian and traditional dance. Mereia Zoke Kei Navesi, Lalakai, hails from Reketi, Wailevu East in the province of Nakonrobe, plays cornet instrument in the brass band and also performs the island and traditional dance. Mira Kautere hails from Bukanikai village in Rambi, plays horn instrument in the brass band and also performs the island and traditional dance. Rosalia Wadiseva Naisor Tambua hails from Nailuwa, Saivo in the province of Ra, plays baritone instrument in the brass band and also performs the traditional dance. Saini Salamboni Saini hails from the village of Vanuatu in Ngau in the province of Lomaiviti, plays horn instrument in the brass band and performs the traditional dance. Torika Wasambeli hails from Nokonoko, Saivo in the province of Ra, plays baritone instrument in the brass band and also performs Indo and traditional dance. Bani Rolele Mbure hails from Lutu, Wainibuka, Naitasiri, plays horn instrument in the brass band and also performs the island and traditional dance. Vinimaina Lewa O'Neill hails from Namogumangua, Korolevu, Serua, plays Enforium instrument in the brass band and also performs the island and traditional dance. Andriano Bokamulo hails from Namaka, Nodo in the province of Rewa, plays cornet instrument in the brass band and also performs the Indo-Fijian and traditional dance and protocol. Atisai Monewai hails from Tonia, Taimale in the province of Tailevu, plays brass instrument in the brass band and also performs the traditional dance and also protocol. Apolosi Penewa hails from Nokonoko Naloto in Navosa, plays brass instrument in the brass band and performs the Indo-Fijian and traditional dance. Erami Wanga Lutunasinga hails from Nosori, Nalawa in the province of Ra, plays trombone in the brass band, performs the traditional dance and protocol and also plays keyboard in the dance band. Ise Indoe Delaiburu hails from Dakaibuna, Wainibuka in Tailevu, plays cornet instrument in the brass band and also performs the traditional dance and protocol. Chombe Sinibondea hails from Narovake, Nodo in the province of Rewa, plays horn instrument in the brass band and also performs the traditional dance band and also plays drum instrument in the dance band. Joeli Norolangi hails from Lovala, Wailevu West in Nakonrobe, plays brass instrument, side drum in the brass band, performs traditional dance and traditional protocol and plays guitar instrument. Josefa Manakula Raikandawa Nravikula hails from Waiawa Bunda in the province of Ba, plays Enforium instrument in the brass band and performs traditional dance and protocol. Leo Naikasau hails from Namosi in the province of Namosi, Namosi village in the province of Namosi, plays cornet instrument in the brass band and performs traditional dance and protocol, and also a vocalist in the dance band. Manasa Korevere hails from Bunibaybay, Nakelo in Tailevu, plays trombone instrument in the brass band, and performs traditional dance and traditional protocol. Marita Sunday hails from Nasibu village, Navatu in Lakomrobe, plays horn instrument in the brass band, performs a traditional dance and traditional protocol. Sairu Siwara hails from Nosori village, Nalawa in the province of Ra, plays trombone instrument in the brass band and performs traditional dance and traditional protocol. Semi Ragulo hails from Romanisau, Tokotoka in Tailevu, plays trombone instrument in the brass band and also performs traditional dance and traditional protocol. Seru Tuivuna Nambono hails from Nailuba, Saivora, plays trombone instrument in the brass band and performs the traditional dance and protocol. And he also attends all dance band engagement. Sesoni Matea hails from Bureitu Nalawara, Murnitu Nalawara, plays corner instrument in the brass band and performs the Indo-Fijian and traditional dance and also traditional protocol. Sunia Tuidakau hails from Gelekuru Namena in the province of Tailevu, plays trombone instrument in the brass band and performs traditional dance and traditional protocol. And the last one, ladies and gentlemen, Vilive Viriawa hails from Nasukamai, Nalawa in the province of Pará. Plays bass instrument in the brass band, performs traditional dance in the protocol, and he is also the lead guitarist and a vocalist in the dance band. So the top academic trainee for 2020, Nailuwa Saiwo in the province of Pará. He plays trombone instrument in the brass band, he performs traditional dance and traditional protocol, and also he attends all dance band engagement, ladies and gentlemen. So a big round of applause to Saiwo in the province of Pará. A big congratulations to you, sir. Okay, informal, 1, 2, 3, informal.